Good morning, Year 2. It's Tuesday, the 9th of February 2021, and it's time for our math session again. So here's Bob. He's getting ready to warm up. And today, Mrs. O'Keefe has a 100 square. 100 square are numbers starting from 1 all the way to 100. So today, I'm going to shout out a number, and we're going to find it on the 100 square and circle it. So let me use a nice purple. Okay, so Mrs. O'Keefe would like to find the number 18. Where would I find 18? Where would I find it? Have a look. 18. 18. Excellent. Well done. If you haven't got 100 square or you can't see this properly, you can write the number on your whiteboard for me, okay? I would now like to find the number 35. 35. Write it on your boards. 35. There it is. Excellent. I would like to find the number 23. Number 23. I bet you're faster at writing this than Mrs. O'Keefe is finding it on here. Okay, let's go harder. I would like to find the number 47. 47. So, there are all the 20s. There are all the 30s. So here's all the 40s. 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47. Can you find me the number that's one less than 28? One less than 28. Write it on your board. One less than 28. So here's 28. One less than 28 is 27. One less than 28 is 27. Can you find one less than 42? One less than 42. Here's 42. One less is 41. Excellent. Well done. Give your boards a wipe for me, superstars. And we'll move on with today's learning. So today we are looking at fractions again, and we're looking at halving them again, okay? So finding half of a number. So number 1 on page 22 says colour in half of the circles in each row. The first one has been done for you. So Mrs. O'Keefe has got her circles here. The first thing I need to do is halve it. But before I can do that, I need to know how many circles there are. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. I'm not sure what half of 6 is. So I'm going to need to work it out. So on your whiteboard, we could put one circle over there and then one here. One over there, one here, and then one over there. Now remember, when we're halving, it means that there needs to be equal amounts on each side. So I've got 3 here and 3 here. So colour in half of the circles in each row. Well, I know that that is half. So half of 6 is 3. So then you would just colour in 3 of your circles. Does that make sense, Year 2? Okay, let's do it again. Below we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 circles. 10 circles, and I need to find what half of 10 is. So I'm going to put 1 here. So 1. Let's put 1 over here. 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5. Oh dear. Come back. Ready? 5 and 5. So I know that half of 10 is 5 because there's 5 on that side and 5 on that side. They're both equal. So I would colour in 5. Okay? So just looking at this page 22, question 1, you are colouring half of the amount of circles. Half. The next one says fill in the missing numbers. So we have it in a written form and we also have it in the number. Okay, we have it in a written form and in the number form. Remember, this means half, or you might see half written like this, and it says half. So we've got half or half, okay? So let's do this one together. 5 is half of, well, we don't know, do we? So we know 5 is half of, so let's draw 5 circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now it's already been halved, so we need to find what it was before. So remember, we said when we're halving, they have to be 2 equal groups. So actually, if we draw another 5, yeah? Draw another 5 when we halve it, there's 5 on there and 5 on there. But to start with, we had 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. 10. So we know that 5 is half of 10. 5 is half of 10. Next one. This one says 1. So 1 is half of what? So we've only got 1. So let's just draw it. So we're doing it into equal parts. So half your board. And they said we had 1. So remember, they've got to be equal on either side. So 1 is half of, how many are here? 1, 2. So 1 is half of 2. 1 is half of 2. Now, looking at number 3, we have some shapes here. And it says, draw the other half of each shape. All right, so Mrs. O'Keefe's got some here. This is going to be tricky. Okay, so draw the other half of each shape. So I know that this is meant to be a circle because if I draw the other half and join it up, it would be a circle. Okay, so let's have a go very, very carefully. You've got a circle in your book too, so we could do this one together. Start here. Excellent. We have drawn the other half of the circle. You will have all the shapes to what Mrs. O'Keefe's got, but let's do this one together as well. We're drawing half of a rectangle. Oh, now Mrs. O'Keefe's not very straight in doing this. Oh, I need a ruler. I think I could do a bit better, so I'm going to rub that out. I think I might need to come out a little bit more, like that. Half of a shape. So you need to have a go at drawing the other half to these shapes on question 3, and make sure that you send in all of your work to us, please, year 2, okay? Well done.